This 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2801 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features a Cobalt interior, sleeps 10, TV antenna, water heater, air conditioning, skylight, microwave, refrigerator, self-contained, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2801 BHS is 7,094 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.